This is, what's your name, sir?
Not Tyler Frozo, it's, yeah, it's Tyler. Tyler.
Okay, so, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Have you ever did it with your mama?
No.
Good. Probably be
No.
useful in many ways. So, I know. Can you deal with it?
Yeah.
Into your, yeah. So, do you like pie?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you zing your zang at night?
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know. Just means zing your zang, I guess.
I don't know what that means, so I can't answer it.
Well, do it!
Okay. It's kind of weird.
Whoa, leg problems.
Sorry. Sometimes I get a little jazzy.
Hey, you need a flashlight?
Why?
'Cause good job.
On this thing.
Shine light. Shine. Ah, burns, doesn't it? Stare.
I know, right?
It's my confusion.
Now back to the show. So, this guy had money in it. But now, he took crap.
So if you put the finger in your hole.
So, same with this guy.
Actually, that's my brother, so it's never has money in it. Yeah.
So not to that guy, but okay.
Do you... Who you dating?
No one right now. I'm single.
Yeah. Cassidy, he's open.
No way, Jose.
Anita, he's open.
No way, Jose.
Merrily,
No,
he's open.
wait, no, what? Oh.
Oh, Shelby.